Hello, my name is Nick George with Class Diamond Sharpening. I'm just going to show you a video on adjusting your blades and how easy it can be and how fun. Let's go to the table. Okay, this is a simple video of adjusting your clipper blade. So, as you can see, this clipper blade is adjusted straight. But it's bad because these teeth are hanging over. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, let's see what that will do. Okay. Okay, so the teeth is hanging over the comb blade. It still cuts, but see how it's moving the hair around? See, it doesn't cut very good. And that's the simple fact the cutter is hanging over the comb. So you take it down to the table, get your screwdriver. I recommend holding it in an angle like this and putting your finger next to the screw and then the screwdriver right there in case it slips off, it doesn't hurt you. And all you do is back this off 1/4 of a turn, a little bit. Go to this side. 1/4 of a turn. Okay, that's it. Okay, now take these and slide this. Here, slide. You can loosen it just a little more. Sometimes sockets are too tight, or springs are too tight. See how there's a little silver up at the end of the teeth? That's what you want. That means it's not going to cut your skin, and it'll cut hair. So that you can look down it like this to see if it's straight, which it is. I tighten up the left screw first, and then the right one, and then that's it. Thank you for this wonderful adventure. That's how you adjust your clipper blade. If your spring falls off, or if you're, say you knock that off, so go ahead and back this off 1/4 to 1/2 turn, 1/4 to 1/2 turn, depending on if your tension is correct. If it's pretty much 2 pounds, you can lift it with your fingers. After you loosen it, then you adjust it. And then tighten the left one, tighten the right one. And let's see how it works now. It's gonna work much better. See that? That's perfect. That's what you want. You don't want it to move the hair around. Move the hair around, it'll leave lines. It'll look not very good and your job becomes way harder. So adjust your blades correctly, keep them oiled, keep them sharp, keep them looking good, keep them coming in. Have a good day.